Internal developer platforms are the highest ROI investment in platform engineering for 2026. The data is clear: 73% of developers say onboarding to a new service takes too long. 61% can't find the documentation they need. 54% have deployed incorrectly at least once because the process was unclear. And IDP solves all three by providing self-service infrastructure, golden path templates, and integrated documentation. But building an IDP traditionally takes 12 to 18 months and a dedicated platform team of 6 to 10 engineers. AI agents cut that timeline in half and reduced the team size by 40%. An internal developer platform isn't a single tool, it's an integrated experience. Service Catalog, a searchable registry of every service, API, and library in your organization with ownership, status, and dependencies. Golden Path templates, pre-approved, production-ready templates for creating new services. Click a button, get a repo with CI/CD, monitoring, and security configured. Self-service provisioning, developers request databases, queues, and cloud resources through a portal, not tickets. CI/CD integration, every service created through the IDP gets a pipeline automatically. Observability dashboards, pre-built monitoring for every service type. Documentation portal, docs that stay current because they're generated from the platform metadata, not written manually. AI agents accelerate IDP construction in 4 ways. Service Catalog population, the agent scans your Git repositories, CI/CD systems, and cloud accounts to automatically catalog every service with metadata, language, owner, dependencies, deployment target. Golden Path generation, analyze your best maintained services, extract common patterns, and generate templates that encode those patterns. Documentation generation, create and maintain service documentation from code analysis, API schemas, and deployment configurations, always current, never stale. Pipeline configuration, generate CI/CD pipelines tailored to each service type following your organization's standards. Teams using AI agents report 7-month IDP build times versus 18 months manual. Golden Paths are the IDP's killer feature. Without an IDP, creating a new microservice takes 2 to 3 weeks. Request a repository, configure CI/CD, set up monitoring, create documentation, request cloud resources, configure security scanning, get everything reviewed by platform team. With an AI-powered IDP Golden Path, developer selects Python API service template, clicks create, receives a fully configured repository with CI/CD pipeline, Prometheus metrics, structured logging, security scanning, API documentation, and a development environment in 45 minutes. The Golden Path encodes every best practice your platform team has learned. Developers can't accidentally skip security scanning because it's baked into the template. The dominant IDP technology stack in 2026 centers on Backstage, Spotify's open-source developer portal, enhanced with AI agents. Backstage provides the portal UI, service catalog, documentation, software templates, and plugin ecosystem. AI agents provide the automation layer, auto-populating the catalog, generating templates from existing services, keeping documentation current, and handling provisioning requests. Kubernetes provides the runtime. Terraform provides infrastructure. GitOps provides deployment. This stack is modular, you can adopt pieces incrementally. Start with Backstage Service Catalog and AI auto-population. Add Golden Path templates next. Self-service provisioning last. Measure your IDP's impact with developer experience metrics. Time to first deploy for new services, industry average 3 weeks, IDP average 4 hours. Self-service rate, percentage of infrastructure requests handled without platform team involvement, from 23% to 87%. Platform team ticket volume, from 120 per month to 18 and 85%. Reduction. Developer Net Promoter Score, from +12 to +67. Deployment frequency per team, 2.3 times increase. These metrics justify IDP investment to leadership better than any architecture diagram. Track them from day one, even before your IDP is fully built. An IDP transforms the platform team itself. Before, ticket handlers responding to provisioning requests, manual pipeline configuration, documentation writers whose docs go stale immediately. After, platform product managers defining golden paths and developer experience standards. Golden path designers creating and iterating templates based on developer feedback. AI agent supervisors configuring automation policies and handling edge cases. Developer advocates gathering feedback and measuring satisfaction. The platform team stops being a bottleneck and becomes a force multiplier. One company reported their platform team went from being rated the biggest development bottleneck to the most valued team in engineering within 6 months of IDP launch. For mistakes that kill IDP adoption. Building too much too fast. Start with service catalog and one golden path template, not a full platform. Ignoring developer feedback. If developers don't want to use it, you've built the wrong thing. Interview 10 developers before building anything. No golden paths. A catalog without templates is just a wiki. Developers still do everything manually. Treating the IDP as a tool instead of a product. Assign a product owner, define a roadmap, measure adoption, iterate based on data. The IDPs that fail are always built by platform engineers for platform engineers without input from the developers they're supposed to serve. Your 90-day IDP launch plan. Days 1 through 30, deploy Backstage, connect AI agent for service catalog auto-population, onboard your first 10 services manually to validate metadata quality. Days 31 through 60, launch your first golden path template, pick the most common service type in your org. Measure time to first deploy for developers using the template versus manual process. Days 61 through 90, add self-service provisioning for the most requested resources, databases and message queues typically first. Enable developer feedback collection. Present DX metrics to leadership. By day 90, you'll have proven ROI and funding for the next phase. Internal developer platforms are how platform engineering scales. AI agents make them buildable in months instead of years. Start with a service catalog, add one golden path, measure developer experience, and iterate. Your developers will thank you, and your platform team will finally work on strategic improvements instead of provisioning tickets. I'm AI DevOps Daily. Next episode: AI agents for database management and autoscaling.